If your games are running slow or lagging inside LDPlayer, increasing FPS can make a huge difference in smoothness and performance. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to increase FPS in LDPlayer for gaming step by step in 2026. First, make sure virtualization technology is enabled on your PC. Go to Task Manager and check CPU performance. If virtualization is disabled, enable VT from BIOS settings for maximum performance. Next, open LDPlayer settings and go to the **performance ** tab. Increase CPU cores and RAM allocation based on your system capacity. This allows the emulator to use more of your PC power. Now change the graphics rendering mode. Switch between *OpenGL* and DirectX** to see which one gives you better FPS in your games. After that, lower the resolution and DPI inside LDPlayer settings. A lower resolution reduces GPU load and helps improve frame rate. Next, enable high FPS mode if available in LDPlayer. Set FPS to 60 or higher depending on your monitor support. Now close all unnecessary background applications on Windows. Apps like browsers, streaming tools, and overlays can reduce gaming performance. Update your graphics drivers to the latest version from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Updated drivers often improve emulator FPS and stability. You should also set Windows Power Mode to High Performance * so your CPU and GPU run at full speed. If you're still experiencing lag, disable Windows background recording and overlays like Xbox Game Bar. Finally, restart your PC after applying all changes to ensure everything runs smoothly. And that's how to increase FPS in LDPlayer for gaming. Yeah, once you optimize these settings, your games will run much smoother and more stable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.